Good morning, people. Check it out. Having some taquito from 7-Eleven. Superb Sunday, baby. Day 83. Let's go. Oh, it was hot. Really hot. Oh, spicy too. Beef taquito. I love it. All right, people. 121 stops today. Let's go. Oh, back at it again. Eho place, baby. Just a couple of totes, one oversized. Let's go building 4 first. Yeah, man. Building 4. All right, did buildings 3, 4, 5, and now I'm gonna head to 1 and 2 in Eho place, and we're doing it style. Backpack, baby. What you know about that? Can't get enough of these views over here at Eho place. Time and time again, I will tell you guys, bro. Take your break. Oh, whoa. I love all types of food. So good. Especially a healthy one. Take your break. Take it. Oh, closing tonight. Doing the last check on every vehicle before I head out. Looks like everything is good except for one. I gotta close its window. Other than that, no hazards on or lights on. Just that one window, and that's it. Good day today. Good job, everybody. Let's go Baba team. You guys are amazing. Ooh, day 83 is done. Good day today. I'm just glad everybody's safe. You know what I'm saying? See y'all tomorrow.